Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Janice, looks like I've got a surprise meeting. Hold all my calls, please.
Sure, but my name is Jess.
Thanks, Sandy. Since you're here, I might as well show you the tutorial I've been working on. Let's take a look. Thanks for joining us today. If you have an Elite camera and are trying to use this camera with a third-party recorder or an Elite recorder that does not have onboard power over Ethernet, you're going to have to initialize the camera manually. We're going to show you how to do that today, but first let's take a look at our setup checklist. We'll first need to ensure that our Elite IPC is powered on. This can be done by using a wall adapter that follows the correct voltage and amperage specifications of our camera. Alternatively, the more recommended method to provide power to the camera is through power over Ethernet by plugging it into a PoE switch. If using a PoE switch to power the camera, plug the PoE switch into the local network router using the uplink ports. Additionally, we are going to need a PC available, and that PC must be connected to the same router as the camera, either by Ethernet or by Wi-Fi. As far as software goes, we will need to download and extract the Elite configuration tool. This tool can scan the network to find our recorder and help us access it from our PC. This handy program can be found on the download section of our website, securitycameraking.com. After the program is extracted, make sure you can locate it. A good way to do this is to simply put a shortcut to the config tool on your desktop like you see in the video. Links are available in the description and the bottom of the page. Alright, that's everything we're going to need. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open up the configuration tool. When the program is running, it will populate a list of any Elite devices it discovers on the network. We are concerned with the camera we are setting up today, which will have gray text and be marked with the status uninitialized. To start the process, check the box next to the camera to select it, and then click Initialize in the bottom left-hand corner. This will bring up a list of any devices we selected, which is just this one camera. When ready, click Initialize in the bottom right. The next page will have us selecting a new password for the camera. We must enter it once, and then again to confirm that password. The password has to be 8 characters long, and we highly suggest that you remember this password or write it down somewhere safe, as it will definitely be needed to add this camera to a recorder later. We also recommend that you set up a recovery email address in the event that you ever decide you want to reset the password on this camera in the future. When done, click Next. Leave these options checked and click OK. The initialization will happen quickly and be completed indicated by the green check. Click Finish. That's it! The Elite camera is now set up and ready to go to be used with any recorder. Keep in mind to remember your password and that you can also use this tool to do things like set the camera to DHCP, change its IP address, and a host of other settings that you can mess and play with. Thanks for joining us today for this short tutorial. For more information, visit our website or check out our other tutorials. Until next time, have a great day and stay safe.